Selamat malam. Pada kesempatan malam ini, saya ingin share materi terkait dengan, share materi terkait dengan financial management. Nah, financial management ini materi ketika saya mengikuti S2 di Magister eh, Bisnis for Shipping and Logistic Management. Harus outline, ini tentatif ya. Nomor satu itu Introduction and Review of Accounting. Dua itu The Time Value of Money. Tiga, Valuing Bond. 4, Following Stock. 5, Net Present Value and Other Investment Criteria. 6, Using Discounted Cash Flow Analysis to Make Investment Decision. 7, Introduction to Risk, Return and the Opportunity, Cost of Capital. 8, Risk, Return and Capital Budgeting. 9, The Weighted Average Cost of Capital and Company Valuation. 10, International Financial Management. 11, Merger and Acquisition. Textbook 1, Briley, Myers, and Marcus, Fundamentals of Corporate Finance, 5th edition, McGraw-Hill. 2, Block and Hill, Foundation of Financial Management, 10th edition, McGraw-Hill. 3, Ross, Westerfield, Jordan, Fundamentals of Corporate Finance, 8th or 6th edition, McGraw-Hill. Lecture 1, Outline. What is finance all about? Goals of financial management. Function of financial management. Forms of business organization. Financial markets summary. Lecture 1 outline. Also, income statement, income and value, balance sheet, income and cash flow, statement of cash flow, free cash flow, tax and financial decision, MFA and EFA, summary and conclusion. What is finance? Finance is about making decisions that focus on creating value within the firm. Finance builds upon the disciplines of economics and accounting. Economics provides theories about economic system and decision making. Accounting supplies financial data and data analysis tools. Finance has evolved from a purely descriptive legalistic discipline to an analytical decision-oriented discipline used by financial manager. What is finance? Finance tries to help financial managers to ensure make decision about the following question. 1, what long-term investment or project the firm should undertake? Capital budgeting decision. How the firm should pay for these assets by issuing equity or debt? Capital structure decision. 3, how much cash or inventory the firm should carry? How much trade credit the firm should provide or use? Working capital management decision. These decisions are made within a risk return framework. The goal of maximizing shareholder wealth may conflict with interest of management, their compensation, social or ethical goals. Agency theory is about the potential conflict between shareholders and managers. Trade-off exists between the agency cost of monitoring management action, and the possible loss of incentives. The goal shareholder wealth maximization can be consistent with a concern for social responsibility. Firms should take socially desirable action even if certain action like pollution control may attempt conflict with this goal. Managers should strictly follow the rules of fairness and honesty. Insider trading and manipulation of financial results are detrimental to confidence and in the financial system. Ignoring social responsibility can lead to a backlash of anti-business sentiment reflected in legislation. Function of financial management. The study of finance covers a variety of topics: corporate finance, banking, securities trading, and underwriting, money management, financial planning, risk management, insurance. Some of these functions are performed on daily basis and others are less routine. All these functions are carried out with the intention to proper balance profitability against risk. Function of the financial manager: daily cash management, receipt and disbursement of funds, credit management, inventory control, short-term financing, exchange and interest rate hedging, bank relation, occasional intermediate financing, bond issues, leasing, stock issues, capital budgeting, dividend decision forecasting, profitability, trade-off, and risk goal maximize shareholder wealth. Risk return trade-off. Profitability. If the profitability is high, and then the risk also high. If profitability is low, and also the risk is low. Example criteria: investing in stock versus savings account. Stock may be more profitable but are riskier. Saving accounts are less profitable and less risky. Or safer, financial manager must choose appropriate combination of potential profit return and level of risk safety. Forms of business organization. We look at three different legal forms. One, sole proprietorship. Two, general or limited partnership. Three, corporation. Sole proprietorship. No distinction between owner and business. Owner keep all profits, unlimited liability. Small venture owned by a single person. Doctor or dentist practice, kebab stand at Botani Square, small farm in Bogor. Sole proprietorship advantage: easy and inexpensive to set up. Profits are taxed once as personal income. Disadvantage: unlimited liability, can lose personal assets. Equity capital limited to proprietors' wealth. Difficult to transfer, must sell entire business to new owner. Life of business limited to life of owner. Partnership. Similar to proprietorship, but two or more owners share resources, revenue, and responsibilities. One partner can act on behalf of others. Two types of ownership agreements. One, general partnership. Two, limited partnership. General partnership, everything is shared. All general partners have unlimited liability. Partnership terminates when a general partner wishes to sell out or dies. Limited partnership. General partnership run the business and have unlimited liability, but some partners have limited liability. Limited partners don't actively participate in the business and liability is limited to what they contribute to the business. A limited partner's interest can be solved without dissolving the partnership. Partnership advantage: relatively easy to start, profits tax once as personal income, more capital available. Disadvantage: unlimited liability for general partners. Partnership dissolves when one general partner wishes to sell or dies. the vehicle to transfer ownership. Corporation, most important form of business organization, exists as a separate legal entity from the owners. Owner powers can occur, debts can sue and be sued, enter into legal contracts, limited liability of owners, shareholders, shares of common stock easily transferred, corporation advantage, limited liability, separation of ownership and management easier to raise capital, transfer of ownership is easy, unlimited lifespan. Disadvantage, double taxation, corporate income tax, dividends are taxed, separation of ownership and management, slightly complicated to set up. Articles of incorporation, charter bylaws. Role of financial markets. Financial markets are a vast global network of corporations, financial institutions, governments, and individuals that either need money or have money to lend or invest. Public financial market assist government and business to access fund for investment and operation. The effect of managerial decision on the value of the firm is realized in financial markets. Overview of financial markets. Money markets deal in short-term securities less than 1 year, S&P Gratia, Treasury bills, commercial paper. Capital markets deal in long-term securities. S&P Gratia, common stock, preferred stock, corporate, and government bonds. Primary market, new issue of bond or shares. Secondary market, where investors buy and sell trade outstanding bonds or shares. Security in financial market. Stock share, ownership or equity, shareholder own the company. Bond, debt or liability, bondholders are owed dollars by issuer creditors. Role of financial markets. Financial market determine value. Well-functioning market allocate resources to their highest and best use. To those best, firm best, able to satisfy consumer wants and needs. Investor receive an appropriate rate of return for the risk incurred. Summary and conclusion. Finance link economy and accounting. It helps manager make decisions to maximize shareholder wealth. However, manager may pursue their own interest instead of those of shareholders. Agency theory studies the conflict between shareholders and management. Financial manager make investment and financing decisions. Financial market are where financial manager raise funds and are given feedback about the effect of their decision. Accounting and finance. In making decisions to produce value, it is important to understand a firm's past and present financial position. Accounting provides such information: key financial statement, income statement, balance sheet, statement of cash flow. The income statement less equals revenue, expense, revenue, repeat, less equals revenue, expense divided net income. An income statement shows profitability for a time period, example Gratia 1 year. Revenues from customer for service or merchandise, expense from vendors for merchandise, service, or suppliers. The income statement sales, cost of goods sold. Step 1, gross profit, operating expense. Step 2, operating profit, interest expense. Step 3, earning before taxes, income taxes. Step 4, earning after taxes. Table 2.1, Kramer Corporation income statement for the year ended December 31, 2005. One sales is $2,000. Two cost of goods sold $1,500. Three gross profit $500. Four selling and administrative expense $220. Five amortization expense $50. $50,000. Six, operating profit EBIT $230,000. Seven, interest expense $20,000. Eight, earning before tax EBT 210,000. Nine, taxes $99,500. 10, earning after tax EAT $110,500. 11, preferred stock dividends $10,500. 12, earning available to common shareholders $100,000. 13, shares outstanding $100,000. 14, earning per share $1. Notes: the blue number is earning before interest and taxes. Returning of to supplier of capital, bondholders interest, preferred shareholders, preferred stocks dividends, common shareholders dividends, capital gains through share management of retaining earnings. Statement of retaining earnings. Statement of retaining earnings for the year ended December 31, 2005. Retained earning balance January 1, 2005, $250,000. At earning available to common shareholder 2005, $100,000. Deduct cash dividend declared in 2005, $50,000. Retained earning balance deficit December 31, 2005, $300,000. Income and value P divided to E ratio. Finance focuses on value. The P divided E ratio is an indicator of perceived value. P slash E or divided to E equals market share price divided to earning per share or EPS. If the market expects better than average returns from a company, its PE ratio will be higher. Limitation of the income statement. Income statement record past events which are irrelevant for valuation purposes. Accountants focus on income while financial manager or analysts are interested in value. Accountants have some flexibility in reporting transaction and resultant income. Balance sheet. Balance sheets B or S show what a firm owns and how it's financed at the point in time. Exemply, December 21. Assets equals asset is liabilities plus owner's equity. Kramer Corporation. Balance sheet. Statement of financial position December 31, 2005. Assets. Current asset, cash, marketable security, current asset, cash, $40,000, marketable security, 10,000, account receivable, $220,000, less allowance for bad debt, $20,000, minus and in the rack area is $200,000. Inventory $180,000. Prepaid expense $20,100. Total current asset is summary from less allowance for debt, BEPS, inventory, prepaid expense. The amount all is $45,000. Other asset investment $50,000. Capital asset, plant and equipment original cost $1,100. Less accumulated amortization $600. Next, plant and equipment $500. Total asset $1,000. Current liability, account payable is $80,000. Not payable, bank indebtedness $100,000. Accrued expense $30,000. Total current liability $210,000. Accrued expense $30,000. Total current liability is summary from account payable, not payable, accrued expense, and the amount is $210,000. Long-term liabilities, bond payable 212, $60,000. Total liabilities is summary from total current liabilities plus bond payable two thousand yeah 2012 is the amount is uh, 30 $300,000. Shareholder equity, preferred stocks, 500 shares is $50,000. Preferred stock, I'm sorry, common stock, 100,000 shares is 35, $350,000. Retained earnings, $300,000. The total shareholder equity is $700. Total liability and shareholders equity $1 million. Sorry, in this slide I read this number is 100. Sorry, I repeat. I repeat the number reading is $1 million. $1 million, and here is 1,100,000. $1,100,000. Yeah.
100,000.
Sorry, 1,100,000 dollars. Yeah, this is the correction. Finish. Next, classification on the balance sheet. Asset, what a business owns. Asset is what a business owns. Current asset, exemplary gratia, accounts receivable, inventory will be sold or used up within 1 year. Capital asset, exemplary gratia, building. Liabilities is what a business owes. Current liabilities, exemplary gratia, account payable, due within 1 year. Long-term liabilities due sometime after 1 year. Equity, what the owners have invested in the business. Shareholders' equity, capital stock, retained earnings. One number related to a firm's value on the balance sheet is net worth or book value, which is defined as shareholder equity minus preferred stock. It represents common shareholders' original investment plus earnings reinvested in the firm so far. The relationship between this number and the firm market value is an interesting ratio. Price to book value ratio is market price divided to book value divided to share. Limitation of a balance sheet. Limitation of the balance sheet based on past transaction rather than future forecast may not recognize important economic change as they occur, increase in property values, new competition. Variety of accounting policy and methods are used, amortization, inventory valuation. Income and cash flow. Profitability firm does not necessarily generate high cash flow, probably because it sells on credit. Accrual accounting attempts to match revenue and expense, even if the related cash flow occur at quite different times. Financial managers are mainly concerned with cash flow because only cash can be spent. The statement of cash flow reports change in cash and cash equivalents resulting from activities of the firm during a given period. The statement of cash flow. The statement of cash flow, CFS, measures the flow of cash into and out of a firm. CF from operating activities plus CF from financing activities plus CF from investing activities equals net increase decrease in cash. Source use of cash. Operation, cash paid and received from buying and selling of goods and services. Investment, cash paid and received from investment activities, bonds, stock, property, equipment. Financing, cash paid and received from financing activities, dividends, borrowing or issuing shares, repaying or issuing debt. Figure 2.1, illustration of concept behind the statement of cash flow. Cash inflow, generation of funds in a normal operation, sale of plant and equipment, liquidation of long-term investment, sale of bond, common stock, preferred stock, and other securities. Cash flow from operating activities. Cash flow from investing activities, cash flow from financing activities equal. Add item 1, 2, and 3 together to arrive at net increase, decrease in cash. Cash outflow, expenditures of funds in normal operation. Purchase of plant and equipment, long-term investment, retirement or repurchase of bonds, common stock, preferred stock, and other securities, payment of cash dividends. Figure 2 steps in computing cash provided by operating activities using the indirect methods. Net income plus amortization and other net non-cash items minus increase in current asset plus decrease in current asset plus increase in current liabilities minus decrease in current liabilities equals cash provided by use in operating activities. Table 2.6a, Kramer Corporation Comparative Balance Sheet. Current asset cash December 30, 2005, $40,000. December 30, 2004, $30,000. Marketable securities $10,000. And on December 31, 2004, $10,000. Accounts receivable net $200,000, and on December 31, 2004, $170. Inventory on December 31, 2005, $180,000, and on December 31, 2004, $100,000. Prepaid expense $20,000 on December 31, 2004, $30,000. Total current asset $450,000 on December 31, 2004, $400,000. Investment long term $50,000 on December 31, 2004, $20,000. Plant and equipment on December 31, 2005, $1,100,000. On December 31, 2004, $1 million. Less accumulated amortization $600 on December 31, 2004, $45,000. Net plant and equipment $500,000 and $45,000. Total asset $1 million. And on December 31, 2004, $887. Comparative balance sheet, liability and shareholder equity. Current liabilities, account payable on December 31, 2005, $80,000. On December 31, 2004, $45,000. Notes payable, $100,000. On December 31 to 2004, $35. Total current liabilities $210. On December 31, 2004, $180. Long-term liabilities, bond payable $215 on December 30, 2005, $90,000. On December 31, 2004, $40,000. Total liabilities is on December 30, 2005, $300,000. On December 31, 2004, $220. And total shareholder equity is on December 31, 2005, $700,000. On December 31, 2004, $6,500. Total liabilities and shareholders equity is $1 million. On December 31, 2004 is $8,700. Table 267, cash flow from operating activities. Net income, earning after tax. And items not requiring an outlay of cash. Amortization table $50,000. Cash flow from operation is $160,000, 500, sorry. And the end cash provided by use in operating activities is 150,000 and $500. Table 6A, cash flow from investing activities. Investing activities, increase in investment. Long-term securities, table 26, $300. Increase in plant and equipment, table 26, $100,000. Cash used in investing activities, $130,000. Table 2, 9, cash flow from financing activities. Financing activities, increase in bond payable, table 2, 6, $50,000. Preferred stock dividend paid, table 2, 1, $10,050. Common stock divided paid, table 2, $50,000. Cash used in financing activities, $10,500. Kramer Corporation statement of cash flow for the year ended December 31, 2005. Operating activities. The financial statement of cash flow is cash provided by use in operating activities, is 150,000 and $500. And this is the summary: investing activities, financing activities, net increase decrease in cash and equivalent during the year, cash beginning of the year, cash end of the year. Yeah, and here is the and here is the number of money, and here cash end of the year is $40,000. Conversion of accounting earning to cash flow. Year 1, A, B. Accounting flow, cash flow. Earning before amortization and tax, EBIT is $100,000 and cash flow $100,000. Amortization, accounting flow is 100, cash flow is 100. Earning before taxes, ABT, 900. Accounting phase year 1, A, accounting flows 900, and B, cash flow 900. And next, taxes 400, cash flow 400, and the next earning after tax EAT. Accounting flow in on year one is $500 and cash flow $500. Purchase of equipment minus $500. Amortization charge without cash outlay plus 100. Cash flow is 100. Comparison of accounting earnings to cash flow more. Year two. Accounting flows, earning before amortization and taxes, EBAT, $1,000, cash flow $1,000, and the end of cash flow is $600. Free cash flow FCF can be calculated as cash flow from operating activities minus capital expenditures minus dividends. FCF represent cash available for special financial activities, share buyback, and debt retirement, merger and acquisition, dividend increases, YP. Tax and financial education. Income tax affect financial education. Corporate tax vary by province, by type of business, and by size of business. Cash flow after tax are most relevant for decision making. After tax investment income paid to shareholders or other individual varies depending upon the form of the income. Expense deductible from taxable income provide a tax saving. Amortization, capital cost allowance as a tax shield. Here is corporation A and here is corporation B. And here is earning the information is earning before amortization and taxes $400,000, same with corporation B, and the end of cash flow from corporation A is $280, $280,000, and corporation B $24,000. Difference is minus $40,000. Value and value added, market capitalization, total market value of equity equal to share price times number of share outstanding. Market capitalization is number of shares
Two by four. Two by four. Two by four. Kali. Times.
Yeah, sorry, market capitalization is number of shares times price per shares. And market value added, market capitalization minus book value of equity. M if A market is market capitalization minus equity book value. Measuring profitability, economic value added, EVA, net income minus a charge for the cost of capital employed, also called residual income. Residual income, net dollars return after deducting the cost of capital. EFA, residual income, is net income minus cost of equity times equity. EFA, residual income, net income minus capital employed times VACC. Summary, final statement provide financial manager with information about the firm profit, asset, liabilities, equity, and cash flow. Financial manager should be aware of the limitation of financial statement. Financial manager should focus on cash flow as only cash and be spent. The statement of cash flow gives a rough picture of operating cash flow and the nature of the firm's investment and financing activities. Tax affect individual and corporate decision making. MFA and EFA are used to measure the performance of the company. Review question. 1. Quantum technology had 64,000 of retained earning on December 31, 2001. The company paid common dividends of 30,000 in 2001 and had retained earning of $500,000 on December 31, 2000. How much did quantum technology earn during 2001, and what would EPS be if 40,000 shares of common stock were outstanding? 2. As a potential shareholder, why should you look at financial reports when you can easily get a stockbroker to advise you as to what companies you might invest in? 3. Coastal Pipeline Inc. anticipate cash flow from operating activities of $8 million in 2002. It will need to spend $1.5 million on capital investment in order to remain competitive in the industry. Common stock dividends are projected at $0.6 million and preferred stock dividends at $0.25 million. A. What is the firm projected free cash flow for the year 2002? B. What does the concept of free cash flow represent? 4. Cardell Company recently reported $17,000 in operating income, EBIT. The company total operating capital is $100,000. The company's after tax cost of the capital is 11,125%, and I'm sorry, the company after tax cost of the capital is 11. Yeah, I think it's 11.625% or 11,125%. Yeah, and the company in the 40% tax bracket. What is Cordell's EVA? Yeah, finish the material or topic for financial management and course outline. 11 course outline. Thank you for attention. See you in the next time.